Gather your electronics. Locate the 2-port female end on the head actuator connection. Insert the foot actuator's 2-pin plug into the female port on the head actuator's connection as previously shown. Secure the clasp. Plug the remote into the 5-pin port connected to the head actuator as shown previously. Secure the clasp. Plug the 2-pin port connected to the head actuator into the transformer. Secure the clasp. Plug the power cord into a surge protector or wall outlet. Test the connections by pressing the head up button on your remote to see the head of the base rise. Press the foot up button on the remote to see the foot of the base rise. Setup is now complete.